In winter, the garden does not sleep. It simply dreams. Beneath pale skies and resting branches, life gathers itself quietly, holding its breath, waiting. The beds look still now, but every root, every bud, every hidden seed carries a secret promise. This is the season of patience, of listening, of believing in what we cannot yet see. More than 200 years ago, the poet William Wordsworth stood in a spring wood and felt this same quiet wonder. He wrote, "I heard 1,000 blended notes. While in a grove I sate reclined, in that sweet mood when pleasant thoughts bring sad thoughts to the mind." And isn't that how the garden feels in early spring? Joy mixed with a gentle ache. Hope wrapped in memory. In the quiet corners of the garden, something begins to stir. Hellebores lift their painted faces. Snowdrops bow to the cold air. A single green shoot presses through soil still chilled by winter's hand. Each tiny leaf is a victory. Each bud is a promise kept. To her fair works did nature link the human soul that through me ran, and much it grieved my heart to think what man has made of man. The robins return. The blackbirds test their voices. The morning air begins to hum. Spring clears her throat. Green arrives quietly without asking permission. The moss brightens. The grass stretches. The buds swell like held breath. And 'tis my faith that every flower enjoys the air it breathes. The garden is not only growing, it is rejoicing. Color returns like old friends coming home. Primroses and violets scatter light across the beds. Early tulips open their cups to the sun. The garden begins to sing. Winter becomes a story that makes spring feel sweeter. Nothing truly beautiful is ever rushed. Nothing truly alive is ever lost. Everything arrives in its own. The garden teaches us patience, hope, and faith in unseen things. Pause, listen to the blended notes. Notice the small victories. Feel the promise rising at your feet. Every flower enjoys the air it breathes. And perhaps we are meant to do the same. Thank you for wandering here today, from winter's farewell to spring's gentle return.